do you want to make an edit like this? Well, in this series, I'm gonna teach you how to make the best Garo edit. And now the thing is, I'm not like a professional editor. I do not edit to, get food and live. No, I don't do that. So I'm gonna actually learn how to edit while these series as well. Not only you, but me as well. So don't worry. And these series are gonna be for 7 days. Each day I'm gonna make one video trying to do some part of the edit. And yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing we have to do is actually get the footage for the video and choose the song. And now the song I have chosen is Neon Blade, and it's actually an edited version from Quietsy, so big shout out to Quietsy who makes audio edits. Now we're gonna go to CapCut, go to audio, and extract whatever song you have chosen. Okay, I have chosen Neon Blade, so bam, I'll put that here. And nice, we have the whole song here. And now, what we want to do is come here and either use the AI version or do it manually. I honestly like you just using the AI version and then deleting and putting some extra markers, but it gets most of the job done easily. So great, now that we have the beats, we can put there the pictures and files we have. So let me just get those anime version. Okay, so I got the anime version, so I'll put it in. And oh wow, that's actually a lot. Now that you have the files that you need, you just cut out the parts that you want. So for example, I'm gonna put the part where Garo is dodging the hits from Metal Bat. I'm gonna cut that part and keep that. Then I want the Savage Tornado or Brutal Tornado. So I want to keep that in. So once again, I cut that. And then I want those fists there. So once again, I cut that out. And then I just delete everything else. So I'll just speed up that a little bit. Okay, so I have some more footage. I have his backstory, so let's put that there. And okay, now just put the size, the ratio. Good. This is sure gonna need some keyframes. This is not gonna be nice. Oh my god, no. Okay, well I hate keyframes, but I'll have to use them. Alright, and here they kick him. Alright, so I have the backstory, which somehow took a lot. It took like half of the edit, but that's alright in my opinion. Now here I'll put the anime moves, so let's move that. Alright, so we have this part, so let's check it out now with the sound. need to shorten this a bit. Alright, so this is all I have for now. Now, next time what I'm gonna try to do is polish this part up a little bit, so you know, make it smoother, put some effects on it maybe, put some transitions there. And the day after I'm gonna continue and make the second part of the video, which is gonna be the one with the manga pictures and hopefully some more. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more days and episodes from the series, and I hope you enjoyed, and bye!